Hello everyone, Namaste and welcome back to my channel with another new video cardboard and wood mixed floating bed. Let's make it together. Please watch the video till the end. Take a piece of wood and attach another piece of wood with given size. Now attach this wood part in cardboard in this way. You can put number of cardboard parallel to the wood in this way, which ultimately increase load bearing capacity of bed. Now make a mixture of wooden glue and water. You can make a smooth surface by attaching crafting paper. This is the skeleton part of bed head. Let's cover it with cardboard. You can choose some fine and smooth cardboard for front part of the headboard, and you can choose any types of cardboard for backside. Here is the bed frame. You can easily attach all the joints with the help of given diagram. I am going to apply brown color to the bed frame to match with headboard. Here is the thin, long and flat slats for bed. After making all the parts of the bed, let's assemble it one by one. Here is quick reminder. Did you watch my video of how to make cardboard bed? I made that bed for one person only. Now I hope this bed will undoubtedly bears the activity of two person. I have watched many floating bed videos. In those videos, they attach slats parallel to the headboard. But in this video, I am going to attach slats perpendicular to the headboard. As I am attaching all the slats into the bed frame, what I realize is if I fix all the slats permanently to the bed frame, then it will be very difficult to clean under the bed. So to clean periodically, I am making some slats removable. Hello everyone, this was the process of how to make floating bed using wood and cardboard. What do you think about this bed? Please let me know through the comment section. I hope you have learned how to make cardboard and wood mixed floating bed. In next video, I am going to show you how to make movable bedside table and light control system in this bed. Please keep watching, keep supporting. Thank you so much for watching.